What is the value of x such that x is a member of real number? So from here, let's see how to solve this problem easily. So from here, let's introduce natural log. ln of 9 to the power of x equals ln of x to the power of 6. Then when we have ln of a to the power of m equals m times ln of a. So from here, we have x times ln of 9 equals 6 times ln of x. So dividing through by x from here, this will cancel out this. We have ln of 9 equals 6 times ln of x over x. Also dividing through by 6. This will cancel out this, so we have it separately as ln of 9 over 6 equals ln of x over x. Then let us recall that we can have 9 in base 3 as 3 to the power of 2. Let's have it here. So we are going to have this as ln of 3 to the power of 2 over 6 equals ln of x over x. So this power 2 will come down to base, so we have it as 2 times ln of 3 over 6 equals ln of x over x. So when we have 2 here is 1, 2 and 6 give us 3. So we have this as ln of 3 over 3 equals ln of x over x. So mere looking at this expression, they are look alike. And so from here we can compare, or we can equate the numerator and denominator. If you are to equate the denominator, we are going to have this 3 to be equals x, which implies x equals 3. Or if you are to equate the numerator, we have ln of 3 to be equals ln of x. By cancelling this ln, we have 3 to be equals x and x equals 3 at the same time. So we have x equals 3 to be the solution among other possible solutions. Now from here, we have to check. We have 9 to the power of x, we say equals x to the power of 6. Then when x equals 3, meaning from here we have 9 to the power of 3, then it's going to be equals 3 to the power of 6. Then we have 9 to the power of 3 is going to be equals 3. 6, we can have it as the product of 2 times 3. Then when we have a to the power of m times n, from the law of indices, we can have this as a to the power of m in parentheses to the power of n. So having it here, we have 9 to the power of 3, then it's going to be equals 3 to the power of 2 in parentheses to the power of 3. So we have 9 to the power of 3 equals 3 to the power of 2 will be 9 to the power of 3. So this is equal to this. And so therefore, s equals 3 is correct for this 9 to the power of s equals x to the power of 6. So among the 6 possible solutions that we can have for this problem, we have one to be real here, which x equals 3 because of this power 6. Bye bye.